Hi mga ka-UVG, Happy New Year. Ako ulit. So, let's see, tingnan natin kung anong energy update sa'yo. Gusto ko pa palang magpasalamat sa mga new subscriber at saka sa mga returning. Thank you po sa suporta. Laking tulong. So, let's see. Sa mga di pa makaka-resonate today, better luck next time po. Okay, sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. Okay, so let's see. 10 of Earth, 6 of Air, peace of mind when it comes to finances. Meron kang financial breakthrough dito Virgo, pero delay. Okay, or you see the situation in a different perspective. 6 of Fire, it's gonna be public. Okay, you're gonna be victorious here Virgo. But with the 6 of Air, you need to calm your mind. Okay, kasi pag dumating tong 10 of Pentacles, it's gonna be a lot for you. Okay, multiple source of income. If you are going to try, if you're trying to be your own boss here Virgo, it's gonna be a win-win outcome. Okay, pero there is a delay here. Okay. Bottom of the deck is 8 of Fire. It's gonna be fast, Virgo. Ang bilis ng mga pangyayari dito. Okay. You will not even realize that, wow, naka-accumulate ka ng ganong amount. Okay, but you need to calm your mind. Okay. This is my peaceful card or moving into calmer water. Same thing. Yun ang nakikita ko sa 4 cards na to. 6 of Fire is gonna be out of your expectation here, Virgo. You're going to be in the public eye, or maybe people will know you. Kung ano man ang ginagawa mo ngayon, marami kang customer bookings. Ang dami dito, Virgo. Okay, kung ano man ang idea na gusto mong simulan mo na. You see, Shopee. With the Hangman, there is gonna be a delay, or you just see the situation in a different perspective. You need to, ang naririnig ko sa 10 of Pentacles, tingnan mo kung gaano siya naka-align. I think yung mga ideas or resources or mga multiple source of income mo, kailangan mong i-line up, i-organize. Yun ang narinig ko, organize. Okay, because it's gonna be fast. Okay. Kailangan mo siyang i-align kung medyo messy. Alam mo naman ang mga Virgo, mga detail-oriented, pero meron po tayong dalawang Virgo. Isang messy, isang very detail-oriented. Kasi, tingnan natin, what else? 9 of Earth. Puro Pentacle. Queen of Water. Meron kang 9 of Earth dito. So, this is definitely independency. Parang may pumipihit ng lalamunan ko, sorry. Meron ka ditong 9 of Earth, which is independency. You got your own, you can pay your own bill. You have your own bag. Madiskarte, ang galing. 9 of Earth to the 10. Okay. Queen of Water. You have to collect your emotion, Virgo, here. Okay. Loving yourself more. Okay. Loving yourself more. Stabilizing your mental and emotional health when it comes to things that it didn't work out, or things na expectation wise na sinasabi. Five of fire, five of wands, and the ace of water. As I said, six of fire, five of fire to the six of fire. Okay. You will win the game. Either way. Okay. At the end of the day, the moment you realize na ikaw pa rin ang may responsibilidad sa kung anong nararamdaman mo or sa kung anong inaalaw mong maramdaman, Virgo, once na mag-step up ka sa emotion mo and you collect everything that is like, sabi ko kanina, very messy. Bakit ko nasasabi to ngayon? Kasi meron kang six of, six of swords, moving into calmer water, peace of mind. If you are in a situation that is very chaotic or maybe sa sarili mo lang to, you need to line up, okay Virgo? I-line up mo lahat ng mga emotional baggages or kung ano pa man. Because you're going to be on top and people will recognize everything that you've been through. I think it is not easy. Fine, okay. Madaling sabihin, mahirap gawin. Pero merong Ace of Cups dito, self-love. Or maybe this person or someone, you are attracting someone that you deserve totally fully. Yung talagang legit na magbibigay sa'yo ng unconditional na sinasabi, unconditional love. But we will see. Wala pa akong nakikitang person, another person dito. Ang nakikita ko dito is yung finances mo, resources, breakthrough, and emotional mo. Okay. And how you carry yourself with the five of fire. Fire of fire is very fighting in your head only. Fighting with your own demon na sinasabi. With the hangman, you have to see your situation in a different perspective. Kasi kung ano man ang parating sa'yo, it's gonna be big, Virgo. Before it comes in or maybe nakamit mo na or makakamit mo pa lang, kailangan naka-intact ang emotion mo. Okay. Kung ikaw ay Virgo na giver, sometimes you need to control yourself or tingnan mo yung sarili mo on how or when to say no kind of energy. Okay. Kasi you're building empire here. Yun ang nakikita ko. Ten of Pentacles is a lifetime, generational wealth, multiple source of income. Okay. 7 to 8 figure, 9 figure kind of energy here. I don't know how it's gonna happen, but it will happen. For some of you, it's already there. Nakamit mo na. Sa mga hindi pa nakakamit, you need to align your emotional and mental health. You need to love yourself more or focus more on your well-being. Okay. And kasi may chaotic ka dito eh. But you will come out on top, Virgo. Either way, sa energy nitong Six of Swords tsaka Five of Wands. Inner conflict, trauma kind of thing, lahat na nandun na, you name it, lahat na. You need to align yourself here. Yun ang nakikita ko. So tell me more. The more you love yourself, Virgo, the more you attract the abundance and prosperity and the love, everything. Okay. So if you are in a situation, Seven of Fire, if you are in the situation that you feel there is nothing happening, that's what you think. Pero ang divine dito is may malaking plano para sa'yo. Ang ganda ng plano ng divine sa'yo, Virgo. You need to pick yourself up. Okay. You need to, like, tawag niya na, remove yourself for those people, places, and things that is no longer serving you. Your highest good or your journey. Yun ang naririnig ko dito. Seven of Fire. Okay. As I said, ikaw ang may vision dito or ibibigay sa'yo ng divine ang vision na to when it comes to your breakthrough financially, love department, career department, family department. This is unstoppable. Okay. Seven of Wands. Huwag mong hayaan na huwag kang maniniwala sa mga naysayer, huwag kang magpapaapekto kind of energy. So that's why kailangan mo magkaroon ng emotional stability kind of energy. Okay. Huwag kang magpapaapekto, ay paano mo magagawa yun? Paano yung mga nega ba? Seven of Wands in traditional tarot is like you are on a high ground. Hindi nila nakikita kung ano nakikita mo. So, huwag mo, kung ano mga binabato, mga defensive energy, defensive din. Ang defense meaning, hindi ko sinabing defensive ka on something, or maybe for some of you, defensive ka on anong kinikita mo, saan ka kumukuha ng resources mo, kind of energy, and it can go in that scenario. Pero meron din scenario sa Seven of Wands na to na you are in the high ground. Huwag kang makikinig sa mga naysayer na ay, hindi niya kayang gawin niya. Imposible kasi. No, ikaw ang gagawa. Ikaw, you're the driver. Nasa driver seat ka. So, wala silang, hayaan mo silang tumahol. Kasi meron ka Six of Wands, success. You're going to come out on top and it's gonna be public. Hindi ko alam kung lottery yan, inheritance, multiple source of income, hindi ko alam, opportunity. This is gonna be a lifetime, long-term, Virgo. You're going to be financially free. Claim it, Virgo. Tamo? Parang sinasakal ako. Sorry. Okay. Seven of Fire, nasa high ground ka. Nobody can see your vision. Nobody can know except you. You and only you. Kaya kailangan mo i-intact yung mental and emotional health mo dito. What else? Tingnan natin. Nine of Water. This is your heart's desire. Yung mga gusto mong mangyari before, mga wishes and dreams mo. Virgo, kailangan mong i-align. Okay? I-organize. Ace of Earth, as I said, this is a one big opportunity for you, Virgo. We started it. Nagsimula tayo sa Pentacle, Ten of Pentacle. Lumabas na yung Ace underneath ng Six of Wands. So this is gonna be a big breakthrough when it comes to finances, Virgo. Kaya lang ang required dito sa'yo, tingnan mo, transformation. The more na naka-align ka emotionally, mentally, and let's just say physically na rin, okay, the more mo ma-activate yung breakthrough mo. Okay, hindi ko sinabing hindi siya naka-activate, pero mas mapapabilis. Kasi meron tayong hangman. Baka this is delay. Okay. So, if you feel, as I said kanina, na parang bagang walang nangyayari, delay siya kasi meron kang something dapat ayusin or i-transform. Okay. Sa department ng mental and emotional health mo, appreciate yourself more, or gratitude. Say thank you every day on what you have, because it's coming in. It's gonna be a lot. I don't know if you can handle it. Hindi magbibigay si Lord kapag hindi ka pa ready. So, kailangan mong maki-cooperate. Kasi hindi ganun kadali. Transformation is a big word. Madali lang siyang sabihin, pero ang proseso. Pero if nagkikrave ka ng breakthrough when it comes to finances, you need to do it. Wala kang choice. Okay. Kung ito yung big dream mo or desire mo ng for how many long, 9 years, 10 years, let's just say, kailangan mong i-collect yourself, be with the Six of Swords. Nagre-require din dito ng emotional ay maturity. Emotional maturity, am I right? Tama ba ako? Which is, hindi ganun kadali kasi marami ka rin pinagdaanan when it comes to relationship, to another relationship, and another relationship, to another relationship. Not only in love, but family, friends, okay, betrayals there, everything, you name it. Kaya hindi kita masisisi kung bakit nagkakaroon ka dito ng battle sa sarili every time na merong bagong papasok. Okay, so ang advice dito sa'yo is you have to see the situation in a different perspective, okay? Okay lang ma-delay, pero wag ganun katagal, okay? Kasi ang opportunity na to, it comes once in a lifetime only. At saka yung, at saka yung Ace of Pentacles dito is, basta napakalaki. Malaki siya. Tingnan natin kung anong kasunod. I think the High Priest, Queen of Air, Five of Water, and the Eight of Air. So, eto na. Kitang-kita. The World card. Okay. Hindi mo ba alam, Virgo, na ang dami nito? This is a heavy energy. Okay, this is my best read ever so far. So, meron kang transformation, di ba? Kasi bakit ka kailangan ng transformation? In some point sa area, Department of Love, Department ng Career, Family, Friends, stuck ka on something. Eight of Swords, physically, mentally, and emotionally. So, hindi ko alam kung paano magpe-play out yan, pero I think ang the key, ang susi dito is love yourself more. Instead of, sabi ko nga kanina, you need to say no if it's necessary or kung kinakailangan. And with the Five of Water, marami kang mga missed opportunity and regrets dito when it comes to decision making regarding sa finances. Dapat ngayon multi-millionaire ka na eh. Kaya lang, di ko alam kung with the Five of Wands, conflicted, masyadong mapagbigay, masyadong, you know what I mean, Virgo. Okay, so a lot of years na nasayang, pero hindi naman sayang kasi dapat ang mga lesson mo is dadalhin mo kung saan ka pupunta. Para kung may another challenge, meron kang weapon. Meaning, I've been there. I know ang situation na to. So, I will handle it in, like, i-handle mo siya in a different way na hindi ka na mauulit the same mistake again. Kind of energy. And with the Queen of Air, as I said, you need to be cutthroat sometimes. Hindi ko sinabing, ano ka, manaksak ka. Meaning with the Queen of Air, this is Queen of Swords. This is very wise based on experience. Pero ginagawa mo pa rin siya with compassion. Okay. You're rejecting and cutting people off if necessary ulit. If kinakailangan, you need to cut it off para mag-arise ka. Kumbaga, alam mo yung balloon. Yung maraming balloons na air balloon ng sinasabi. Hindi air balloon. Balloons talaga, mga balloons. Kailangan mo mag-pop isa-isa. Okay. Kailangan mong mag-pop isa-isa para maging grounded ka. Kasi dinadala ka ng kung saan-saan eh. Meaning, para bagang meron ka mentality na it is what it is. Ito na to. Wala kang groundedness or you are lacking groundedness when it comes to thinking what you want. Career man or love or friends, family. You know what I mean, Virgo? Pero ngayon, with the Queen of Air, I think you are ready here with the High Priest and you know it. Alam mo sa sarili mo na ready ka na. So, ready ka na sa new transformation, you're willing to go through transformation here, Virgo. Hindi ganun kadali kasi kailangan mo i-collect lahat ng emotion and emotional baggage, emotional burden, kind of energy in order for you to get this breakthrough. Or for some of you, nakuha mo na, nakamit mo na, pero of course, ayaw mo maglaho ng parang bula. So, kailangan mong again, i-collect ang emotional and mental health mo. Priority. Peace of mind. Okay. You are cutting people off. Nagsasabi ka ng no sa people, pero with love, with compassion, which is a good thing. Okay. It, para magstay yung desire mo dito, tsaka yung dreams and goals mo, it will come into fruition. Okay. It's already in the air. Okay. With the high priest, your intuition is your best friend right now, Virgo. Kung ano sinasabi ng gut feeling mo. Okay. As I said kanina, nasa high ground ka. Okay, you know it. Ikaw ang nakaka-vision, ikaw ang may vision. Okay, walang makakapaghadlang sa'yo. Very unstoppable energy tong side na to. Kahit parents mo pa yan, or kahit partner mo pa yan, or kahit nobody. It's gonna be you and you and you alone. Virgo, yun ang nakikita ko dito. Kung feeling, mo dito, kung feeling off yung energy mo tsaka all over the place, kailangan mo mag-isolate. I-remove mo yung sarili mo sa alam mong mga nega. Okay? So, isolation is a must here, Virgo, pag alam mong napaka-chaotic ng isip mo, battle of the mind, okay, battle within yourself. Kailangan ng isolation dito. Okay. Kasi meron kang Queen of Swords. Hindi ko naman sinabi ang Queen of Swords is kasi ang Queen of Swords sometimes can represent coldness. Pero nandun ang Queen of Cups. So, okay. So, required sa'yo na you need to meditate and contemplate maybe. Okay, Virgo, visualize your dreams again and again and again and again. The more you visualize, the more it will come. Okay. What else? Just use your intuition, Virgo. Use your intuition for those people na alam mong kailangan mong alisin ang sarili mo. Okay. Let's see. 3 cards. Last 3 cards. Eight of Earth. Wow. The Hierophant card. And the Hermit card. Wow. Ang galing ng last card. Meron kang World card kanina. Diba? At the bottom of the deck. Ang the World card is clean slate. Departure, travel. Ending something in order to begin new one. Lagi ko po sinasabi yun. Which is totoo kasi. Kung meron ka ditong kailangan i-transform, it's a must, Virgo. Kasi ang breakthrough mo is here. Okay. So, meron kang 7 of Earth. Okay. Waiting patiently. Alam mong nag-invest ka. Alam mong nag-take ka ng exams or you're waiting for the result. It's time for harvest. Pero ito at saka ito. Pag itinerno mo yan, meaning there is a delay or you need to wait on something patiently. Okay. The more na habang naghihintay ka, you need to collect your emotion and things of that nature na alam mong self-doubt, fear, kahit ano pa man yan, kailangan mong itali, ilagay sa loob ng box, kadinahan, ipalubog sa dagat. You know what I mean, Virgo? Kind of analogy ko lang yan. With the Eight of Pentacles and the Hierophant, this is about career, Virgo. We're talking about finances and breakthroughs here. New contracts, renewing contracts, or it depends. Or maybe this is can represent marriage also. Okay. Belief system. Hindi ko alam kung mag-convert ka or something in that line, pero you need to know more about what you want. Okay. You need to work on something when it comes to your belief system or when it comes to the contract. Kailangan mo hindi masamang magtanong. Okay. Career department, love department, anong department man 'to magre-resonate sa'yo, tatlong card na 'to. Hermit card is wisdom, gaining wisdom and knowledge into the situation. The Hermit card is all about contract and belief system and things of that nature. Eight of Pentacles is working things out or about career, about work, about creativity, productivity, and how you do it. Okay. So use your intuition. Your intuition is your best friend right now, Virgo. Okay. Mga naysayer, tago mo muna sarili mo. Isolation is a must. Kailangan mo i-visualize ang hearts and dreams and goals and desire mo, heart's desire. Okay. So, let's see kung anong advice. Let's see kung anong advice sa akin mga ka-UVG. Sana po yung naka-resonate. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better lang next time po. Yung Ace of Pentacles mo, it can represent opportunity and a big opportunity for you, Virgo. I think it's gonna be multiple opportunity with the 10 and 9 of Pentacles together with the 9 of Cups. Lahat ng mga dream job or dream boss energy, dream business mo, it's gonna come all at once. So, embrace yourself here. Kailangan nakaintak ang emotion mo dito for those people na alam mong mga abuso, you need to remove yourself there. Okay. Family member, it doesn't matter. Na alam mong masisira ang growth mo when it comes to finances, negative person, negative energy, environment. Isolate yourself and contemplate and meditate so you can see the bigger picture there. Okay, let's see what is the advice. When it comes to contracts and belief system, Virgo, you need to work things out, gaining more knowledge and wisdom into the situation. Hindi masamang magtanong, hindi masamang mag-search. Okay. Let's see. Pero yung productivity and creativity mo dito is to the max with the 8 of Pentacles. What is the advice? Bring love into the situation, which is yun ang ginagawa mo. You're cutting all the people that is no longer serving you. Places and things. Damit, I don't know. Meaning yung mga hindi mo na ginagamit or you get rid of it. So, merong bagong parating. Okay. So, with the bring love into the situation, I think instead na itapon mo or pamimigay mo sa kung analogy ko lang, example. Okay, when it comes to people naman, you cut them off in a very good way, in a very loving way. I'm not available right now. I need to focus on this, and that. Uh, um, something in that line. Alam mo na yung sinasabi ko. Okay. Tingnan natin. What else? Nothing will come off into the situation. And you are good enough. Nothing will come into the situation, Virgo, if hindi mo ako pinaniwalaan. Ay, hindi naman, sino ba naman ako para paniwalaan mo? Ako ay nagde-deliver lamang ng mga posibilidad. Okay, mga posibilidad na energy na mag-manifest sa reality mo. Meaning, naka-red alert kasi dito yung sarili mo eh. Meron kang self-conflict or you are fighting with yourself here, Virgo. So, kailangan mo ng peace of mind, kailangan mong gawin, kailangan mo mag-visualize kung asan yung mga hinahata ka pababa at saka yung mga hinahata ka pataas. Walang mangyayari sa'yo. Okay. Kailangan ng workout dito, which is lumabas ang 8 of Pentacles. Makes sense. You need to align your belief system, Virgo, when it comes to finances, career, people, things, and places, Virgo, because nothing will happen the whole year. Okay. It will be the same again, same cycle again. If, okay, you're not going to collect or it's gonna be too late before ka mag-decide. Okay, kasi hindi lumabas ang tower card eh. Kung lumabas ang tower card, maybe ang divine talaga ang gagalaw sa'yo para gumalaw ka. Meaning, i-push ka talaga to the edge para matrigger kang tanggalin or i-workout kung ano man ang mga dapat i-workout pagdating sa mental or emotional department mo. Okay, mga false foundation, mga paasa na things in that nature, you are going to face the reality here that nothing will come into the situation if you, kung hindi ka gagalaw. Transformation is a must. May transformation ka rin dito. Okay, but you need to wait patiently. For those Virgos na baka nag-iisip, ay wala naman nangyayari. No, meron. The energy is gaining momentum. Nasa background na siya. It's already in the air. Pero the way na i-mold mo yung emotion and yun lang ang nakakabaray. Kumbaga yung sa tubo. Hindi makadalo yung tubig kasi may nakabara. Kailangan mo unclog para yung daloy, gets mo ko? Analogy ko lang. And you have to think that you are very good enough. You're enough. Baka dapat yun ang affirmation mo everyday, you are good enough. You are more than enough, Virgo. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Baka meron kang fear or self-esteem is low, confidence is low. You need to put yourself out there, Virgo, because the money is there, the bag is there. Okay. And while doing that, kailangan mong magkaroon ng peace of mind. Remove yourself for those people na hinahata ka pababa. Even though na family member or hindi ko naman sinabing i-cut mo lahat sila, no. I think ginagawa mo siya kailangan mo siyang gawin in a very loving way. You're still there at the end of the day, but kailangan mong i-work things out mo na paano ka tutulong kung naglalak ka ng finances, di ba? So it takes time. You need to see the situation in a different perspective. So at the bottom of the deck is don't let your pride get in the way. So ang issue talaga dito is ikaw. So you need to work on that, Virgo. So let's see. Ako pa yung messenger lang, no? Don't shoot the messenger, please. This is only, if you did not believe, then just please scroll. So, sa mga di ba resonate better lang next time po. Sa mga resonate thank you po in advance. So, let's say kung ano pong angel message number. Kasi kung makikita mo dito, stuck ka, oh. Which is nagre-require ng transformation. Pero hindi ka transform kasi stuck on something specifically. Okay. Mahirap eh. Alam ko, naintindihan ko. Mahirap. Pero kailangan eh. In order for you to be the own boss and 8-figure to 9-figure. Wow, ang sarap. I wanna be a billionaire. It's all freaking bad. Yun ang narinig ko. Tingnan ko, angel message number mo. Meron kang 10. Queen. Mother figure or lola. Kalolola ancestor. Okay. Meron kang 10, 4, 6. So, 10, 4, 6, Virgo. Maring makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. Meron kang mensahe dyan. Okay. 10, 4, 6, Google mo siya. 10, 4, 6, angel message number. So, this is what I have for you, Virgo. I hope you resonate. Sa mga di ba resonate, better luck next time po. Okay? So, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. This is what I have for you. Thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one, Virgo. And bye for now.